homemade burger today.
Russet potato fries.
Soak out starch.
Dry fries always.
First fry begins.
Cook inside first.
Rest before crisping. All right, everyone, we're gonna start with our bacon. I always put it into a cold cast iron skillet first, and it really helps the fat render nicely. Slow, crispy bacon.
Crispy, smoky bacon. £1 beef.
I like to keep the seasoning simple. Salt, cracked black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder.
Smash for crust.
Look at sear. Cheddar melts fast. Four cheesy patties. Rest 5 minutes. Butter brioche buns.
Toast cut side.
Second fry hot. Golden crisp fries. Rack keeps crisp. Salt, paprika, garlic, Parmesan parsley finish. Garlic aioli base. Crisp lettuce layer. Salted ripe tomato. Tangy pickle balance. First cheesy patty. Second patty stacked. Mustard ketchup finish. Burger lid on. Look at this. Cut through layers. Perfect burger layers. Ketchup on side.
Final plate ready.
That first bite. Juicy, smoky, cheesy. Crispy fry dip. Juicy burger layers.
Try this recipe.